Excalidraw Obsidian tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Excalidraws and Obsidian. So Obsidian is a program that people install on Linux, and obviously it's a code-related program where you can create different designs and a whole lot of other things. Now, they have a plugin called Excalidraw that you can get on Obsidian's very own forum, and Excalidraw is a very powerful yet simple sketching tool. So basically, the things you do on Obsidian by connecting different dots and coding. So what you can do is you can use Excalidraw to actually draw this stuff. So as you can see, you are drawing links and drawing trees using Excalidraw. So the drawing process is really easy. It feels like you're using paint or something like that. And it makes your life much more easier on Obsidian. Like you don't have to pinpoint the different programs and code different things around to create some markdowns on Obsidian. So yeah, that's the basic idea of Excalidraw. You can get it on Obsidian's very own forum, or you can even download it through GitHub if you want to. It's a plugin to edit and view Excalibur drawings. So just get it from here, download the code, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.